Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel. And here is a graph of PC sales and which companies are the most popular in PC sales. And also we'll have the numbers as the market or the PC sales actually have sunk once again. And that was expected, by the way. It was expected that throughout this 2022 that PC sales would drop. But the good news, because, people look at the bad news, it's like, oh, PC sales are dropping again and so on. The good news is that the PC sales are so much above what they were before the pandemic, which means that the PC sales have dropped here. They're still selling much more than what they were selling in 2019 and 2020. So basically what's happening is that there is still a strong market for PCs. So here, of course, you have the different colors. So Lenovo, which is the biggest seller of PCs, right here at the bottom, followed by HP, Dell, then you've got Apple, then you've got Asus, and all the others at the top there. What is interesting to note is that Asus has overtaken Acer as the number 5 spot. So that means that Asus is actually, making good sales still. So what are the numbers exactly? What are the numbers? Well, Lenovo remains the top at 16.9 million units sold, but it is 22.7% market share. It is a decline of 16.1% year over year. HP, second again, at 12.7 million units sold, 17.1% of the market share, but it's down 27.8%. Dell, number 3, 12 million units, 16.1% of the market. That is 21.2% down year over year. Now, interesting, Apple with 10 million units, 13.5% market share. It's up 40.2%, which is kind of interesting. So I don't know if it's because of the new M1 and M2 class PCs, but their sales of PCs are really up year over year for the past year. And Asus, number 5, at 5.5 million units sold. That's 7.5% of the market, but it is down almost 8%. So kind of interesting to see. The market is still very, very good, honestly. Even though the average PC sales fell 15% year over year, it's still 74.3 million units that were sold in the third quarter. That is huge. And it's almost up there with the big years of the PC market sales in 2008, 9, 10, and 11. So PC sales, even though going down, are still very good. One of the main drivers, and one of the main reasons they're saying for the PC sale going down is a lot to do with still the fact that the cooling demand is due to a lot of problems in trying to supply PCs, which means technically the PC sales are down because they're not able to actually build enough PCs for the demand, which means if PCs had that demand capability, we would probably be, if we were down, we would be down less than what we are right now. So things are supposed to be actually picking up. They're actually thinking that 2023 might be the year where that slowdown will actually be less and less prevalent, even maybe ending 2023 in a positive way. So we're going to see what happens anyways. But, overall, PC sales are really good still. So this is kind of interesting. It's kind of a turnaround from the fact that a lot of people thought, PC's dead. People don't want computers anymore. Well, it doesn't seem like it's the case. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.